हेलो प्रोग्रामर्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम कोड शेफ पे एक नया प्रोग्राम करने वाले हैं जिसका हमारा प्रॉब्लम कोड है इन टेस्ट। प्रोग्राम का नाम है इनॉर्मस इनपुट टेस्ट। सो लेट्स रीड इट। The purpose of this program is to verify whether the method you are using to read input data is sufficiently fast to handle problems branded with the enormous input-output warning. You are expected to be able to process at least 2.5 MB of input data per second at runtime. इस प्रॉब्लम का मेन पर्पस ये है कि जो हम लोग मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं डेटा का इनपुट आउटपुट के लिए, क्या वो सफिशिएंटली फास्ट है जिससे हमें कोई जो अगर हमें कोई वार्निंग मिल रही है तो उससे वो हैंडल कर ले। हमें एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम बनाना है जिसमें हमें 2.5 MB ऑफ डेटा पर सेकेंड रन होना चाहिए रन टाइम पे। तो आगे देखते हैं ये इनपुट सेक्शन में क्या है। The input begins with two positive integers n, k, n, and where where n and k is less than or equal to 10 की power 7. The next n lines of the input contains one positive integer ti not greater than 10 to the power 9 each. So let's see in the output what we are expected to do. Write a single integer to output denoting how many integers ti are divisible by k. As seen in CodeChef, the programs are easy, at least in the beginner level, but the language is a bit difficult. So you first need to understand what the program is saying, and then you can code according to it. Once you understand, then it's become easy to do your program. So let's see the examples ki how we have to run our program. Like if we input 7 and 3, where like n and k, so n is 7 and k is 3. So now we have to enter the values 7 times, like in the output section it is given, which is now these values are representing ti, and then in the last we have to give the output how many these ti values are divisible by this k. So as you can see, this 51 and this is ending with 9, this is 9. So all these 4 values are divisible by 3. So our output is 4. So let's do our program. So I tend to do all my programs on my PC or on my laptop and then copy paste it here, and I've already pasted it here. So let's see it. So this time I've chosen the language Python. Now we have taken the two variables n and k as mentioned there and use the map function. So map function का काम ये होता है कि एक ही लाइन में मल्टीपल इनपुट्स ले सकता है. So इसका सिंटैक्स ये है कि map int input and then dot split and then these quotation marks separated with a blank space. And we have initialized a counter variable c is equal to 0. So on line number 3 we have started a loop for ti in range n. That means our loop will run n times, and for each iteration we will input a number and then check if that value stored in I is divisible by k and if our remainder is 0 or not. If it is 0, then we will increment c by 1. When this indentation part will run n times, then this loop will be closed and we will print c. That means it will count the number of times I is divisible by k. So I think you must have understood this. So let's run it. So here it is a column of custom input. So I would suggest you all to input the same numbers here as you have seen in the input section when we were reading the question. Otherwise, you might get an error. When I was using the different numbers, it was giving an error. So I followed the same numbers and it was just successful. So I've used it, and you can see I've just run it once again to show you. You can see status successfully executed, and you can see the output as 4, and then you can submit it from here, and then here it will show you if it has been successful or not. Still rolling and rolling. Okay, it went fast. I think my connection is slow. Okay, so the result is here. Correct answer, time 2.00 second, and this is my solution number. So I hope guys you have understood what I wanted to explain. If you have any problem, comment section is open for you all. Let's help each other there. And yes, do programming, practice hard. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for update of more coming videos, and yes, do share it among your friends.